Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super feature on YouTube, that is the time that you spend on your YouTube, and there is a more option to stop watching overtime on YouTube. So this feature is super on YouTube, so just try this option. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So your time that you spend on YouTube can be checked by using go to the profile, click on the profile picture on the top. So the how many hours you are watching a YouTube per day you can easily monitor. So by using this time watched option, it will shows today I just watched 2 hours, more than 2 hours, and you can see the increase percentage also. There is a hint that it shows that you have watched more than a previous week. It can be showed like that, and you can see that today, and you also see the last time seen, and you can also control your watch time by making a reminder. So I can set a reminder, I can only watch 12 minutes, I can watch only 12 hours. You can set a reminder to stop watching more videos on YouTube, and you can also set a reminder by like this. So you can also set a bedtime for it, so you can assign a start time and an end time too. So this will have a control on watching your videos. You can't waste your time on YouTube, and by watching more funny videos like that, you can easily control your mind by using a set a reminder. So YouTube provide a thing like features to control yourself to make YouTube useful. So try this option, so you can easily go to the bedtime easily. It will quick a reminder. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video. If you want more content about the YouTube tips, just follow this channel, and we will meet on next video with your super valuable YouTube content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.